Okay, nice. May kasama na naman siya.
This path will take us all the way through the mountain.
Minahan?
My people use these
Ay, ito
ways.
pala yung nabanggit niya.
Soviets arrived and began digging.
What did they find down here?
Enough to make them curious. They used machines and explosives to dig deeper. Did quite a lot of damage. Many of the old paths collapsed, but it's safe now.
Ayan, safe ba yan?
It used to be.
Okay.
That doesn't sound good.
Medyo
Trinity must
umuuga-uga
have
pa.
found the old mining equipment.
Ah,
They're trying to finish what the Soviets started.
And there's no other way through.
I'm afraid not. Not anymore. This complicates things.
wait, what? May tao? Wala.
They're gonna bring the whole place down.
The Soviets.
Oh, shit! Gagi! Ano nangyari sa kanya? Ah! Oh, shit! Ayan na naman! Oh my God! Nasaan kaya si Jacob?
Jacob, Jacob, are you there? Can you hear me?
No.
This is bad. Got to try that control panel.
Alright. Mukhang... Ay, asan na yung shining dito?
Oh shit. Now what?
Oh, ano nangyari sa elevator? Stuck. Nag-flop ang elevator. Charis. Okay, nice. May akyata naman pala dito.
This should come in handy.
Kung ngayon ka lang nakahanap ng combat knife, wala bang dalang combat knife yung mga kalabo mo kanina? Hindi ka nang nagnakaw ng isa. Nagloloko mo ako, Lara. Sabi ko sa'yo. Ay, tsara. Ayan. Ay, saan ba? Yellow? Tibay naman itong yellow na to. Okay, let's see what's up here. Ah, shit. May tao? Ah, hindi.
At your earliest convenience.
Akala ko may tao.
Could this be part of the lost city?
What the heck? Ano ba't ang ganda? May ruins. So ito yung dinidig
We
nila.
now have heavy equipment in place.
This is what they were digging. Aha. Meron akong special skill para dyan.
This mural shows the prophet preaching in Constantinople.
Wow, level 5.
Separated again. I just hope Jacob's still alive. I don't know exactly where I am. That's rapidly becoming the story of my life. I'm fighting to survive, yet strangely, I feel hopeful. There are incredible ruins all around me. This must be part of the prophet's lost city. But how much more is true? The divine source. Could it really be here?
Yan. Dodge kill. Meron pang DLC ano. Ay, nandito na nga pala ako. Ang ganda oh. Ano yun? Gate? Nasa ilalim nga pala ako ng ano. Ng kuweba. Ano to? Ay, wait. Ay, gagi. Armored. Teka. Hindi ko sila makita. Asa yung mga tao? Akala ko maraming tao.
Comrade.
Ah, ayan pala sila.
No. There's tons of rock and ice in the way. If we're lucky, we might get a few bursts of static and assume we're still alive.
So, we're on our own.
All the more reason to find a way out of here.
Parang gusto ko i-stealth kill tong lahat ng to eh. Teka lang. Pasabugan na lang natin. Gago. Oh shit. Armored ba yan? Batong timba na to? Ah, shit. Sayang, hindi ko na stealth kill. Oh, nice! Ito pala eh. Crafting tool. Kung nag-iipon pa ako ng pera pambili ng crafting tool na yon sa ano. Miscam ata ako nun ah. Ay, gagi. Ano nangyari?
It is.
Wait lang. There is a relic here somewhere. Saan yun? Ayun oh. Oh, meron dun sa taas. Paano kaya ako makakaakyat dun? Sige, mamaya na nga yan. Wala akong rope ascender. Nakakatakot. Bangin pala yun. Teka lang. Ayan.
Someone
Nice.
tried to get through this door before.
Laking gate nito ah.
I can use these other cables to rip open the door.
Okay. Ah! Puchat ka! Hindi ka! Si Inday. Ay! Ano yan? Malalaglag siya. Parang natin yan. Yan. Get out of the way.
Truck's anchored to that door. It might be heavy enough to rip it open.
Ba't ang daming ano? Mga kotse dito. Mga jeep. Okay, then let's pry this. Ay. Okay. Ah, putik. Hala! Para siyang tulay. Naku, saan tayo nito tatakbo? Ayan pala. Safe bang bumaba dito? Baka akala ko masyadong mataas eh. Ah, putik. Gara, ang effortless namang headshot. Ay, meron pa. What the f... Ah! Hello, nonchalant tao eh. Teka lang ah. Nakikipagpatayan pa ako dito. Hold on. Sorry. Ang dami nila! Okay, wala na ata.
Now this makes sense. If I follow these directions...
Oh! Gaga, naka-isang tapak lang ako dun sa ano, hagdan. Bumigay na agad. Akala ko pera, sayang. Ah, ito pala yung nakikita ko dun kanina pa.
Gold sword hilt inlaid with jewels. This belonged to a Byzantine noble. The blade itself was snapped off at the base. Did this happen in battle?
Yan. More pera. Yes, please. Ay. Saan kaya yun? Ay, dito. Ayan. Extra XP din yan.
To any who received this message,
Nice. Wait, what? Ayan. Ay, putik. Hala. Nandito na ulit sila. Nasalisihan din kita. Headshot yun? Nasaan sila? Napakadilim naman. Gagi. Natalsikan. Bitiwan mo yan. Kulit naman ni Lara. Naglulot nga tayo eh. Ano-anong pinupulot mo, Inday? Ayan, okay. Teka, duguan na naman as. Saan mo kaya akong dadaan ito? Oh my God! Ay! Ayusin mo, te. Bangin yan. Wala tayong lalapagan dito. Saan ba?
If I can bring down that crane, it should be enough to rip open the door.
Teka lang. Sabi na may collectibles
If I
dito
can
eh.
fill that bucket, it might be heavy enough to bring down the crane.
Pwede ba iurong to? Pwede nga. Pwede bang bumati, Lara?
Right, that should work.
Okay, and then lalamanan natin yun ng tubig. Ba't parang hindi naman umuurong? Ayan pala. Wala, butas.
That did it.
Nice, bukas na rin. Oh my God. Saan tayo nito? Ay! Oh shit! Nakatakot. Mayelo yung kinakapitan niya. Baka madulas.
This statue must be the immortal prophet. And this shows the exodus of his people from the deserts of Syria. They settled in a hidden valley and built a great city. Hitesh. To protect the city and its people, the prophet raised an army of warriors. But what is this showing?
Ano
It's
yan?
not the divine source they're holding. Something else. Something else. But what? And his warriors forged for him an atlas, that the prophet might always know his city and its secrets. A map of the city. It could show the way to the divine source.
Ang galing, ang ganda. Matingkad pa rin yung mga ano. Kahit sobrang aged na nila. Teka, urong ko lang tong overlay na to. Lumalabas yung ano eh. Yung cursor ko eh. Mamaya nakikipagpatayan ako, biglang tumigil yung game eh. Napindot ko na pala yung overlay. Ang galing nun. Buti tumitigil siya. Yung ibang game, tuloy-tuloy lang eh. Kaya, pag na-aksidente yung pindot mo, wala na. Shagpay ka na. Okay, ano kayang meron sa loob nito?
This place is still standing.
Ilaw te, yan. Ang
Even
ganda.
damaged,
Ay!
the artistry is stunning.
Buti na lang. Okay, so bakit may pitfall doon? Syudad ba to or what? Yan, tayo na mag-swimming. Saan ba tayo dadaan, te? Ay. May bakit duguan? Lumangon ka lang naman. Saan ba yung daan? Dive pa. Ayan!